Hello everyone, welcome back to Geometry Made Simple. Today we'll be learning another powerful circle theorem called the Intersecting Chords Theorem. These theorems help us to solve problems involving two chords that cross each other in a circle. And trust me, it's easier than it sounds. Let's break it down step by step. The intersecting chords theorem states that if two chords of a circle intersect inside the circle, then the product of the segment of one chord is equal to the product of the segment of other chord. The theorem says that the product of AB and PB is equal to the product of CP and PD. Mathematically, it can be written as AP multiplied by PB equal to CP multiplied by PD. Now, let's prove this theorem using simple geometry. Let us join AC and DB, forming triangles inside the circle. Consider triangle APC and DPB. Notice that angle APC is equal to angle DPB because they are vertical opposite angles. Angle APC is equal to angle DPB because they are vertical opposite angles. And also angle ACP is equal to angle DBP because they are angles in the same segment of the circle. Angle ACP equal to angle DBP. Since two angles of one triangle are equal to two angles of another triangle, the triangles are similar. So we can say triangle ACP is similar to triangle DBP. From similar triangles, the ratio of corresponding sides is equal. So we can say AP over DP equal to CP over BP. Cross multiplying gives AP multiplied by BP, which equal to CP multiplied by BP. So we can say AP multiplied by our BP can be written as PB equal to CP, and also our DP can be written as PD. Hence proved. Let us consider this example. The question says we should find PD. Using second chord theorem, we know that AP multiplied by PB equal to CP multiplied by PD. Let us substitute our given values into this equation. Our AP is 4 and our PB is 6. Our CP is 3. 4 multiplied by 6 equal to 3 multiplied by PD. 4 multiplied by 6, 24 equal to 3PD. Let us divide both sides by 3. 24 over 3 equals to 3PD over 3. 3 here 1, 3 here 1, 3 here 1, 3 here 8. PD equal to 8 centimeter. If this lesson helped you understand the intersecting chord theorem, please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more geometry made simple lessons. Thank you.